name is Scott Adams. I'm the building manager here at Abode Apartments in St Leonards in Sydney. We have 190 apartments over 2 towers. The owners' corporation here were looking at how they could reduce their expenditure, and the major component of that is our lighting, particularly the car park and fire stairs. We did a bit of research. We looked at just replacing our existing fluorescent tubes with some newer products, but our research indicated that just wasn't much of a saving there. We also looked at some other types of LED products, but they didn't have the functionality that we found with the Chamaeleon. We put the Chamaeleon lights in the car park. We have 3 levels of car parking underground, and also all fire stairs up above ground and below. The project here cost us in the region of $90,000 all up. That included the installation. We expect a rebate of roughly $20,000 to $25,000. So when taking that into consideration, our payback period for this project will be roughly 2 years. The Chamaeleon Retrofit worked out really well. The installation process was smooth, and now that the lights are in place, they're functioning really well. We've had no failures with the equipment whatsoever, and they're continuing to function as they did on the first day they were put in. We've noticed we've had an approximate 90% reduction in our energy lighting costs, which equates to roughly 140,000 kilowatt hours per year. The reaction from the residents has been wonderful. I've had quite a number of the residents approach me, letting me know that they think the light fittings look good and they function very well. On the standby mode, there's still sufficient light in our car park area, but as soon as there's the slightest movement, they switch to full mode and there's plenty of light and everyone feels safe and secure. I was a little sceptical at first when we first started looking at it, certainly, but then when I went through some of the figures with the guys from Inline, which they took me through step by step, explained everything to me thoroughly, I could see that those figures were indeed true, and that's been vindicated by our power consumption since. I've got friends in the industry who manage other properties, and I have spoken to them to let them know the experience that we've had with Enlighten and with the Chamaeleon light fitting, and more than happy to recommend it to people, definitely.